Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best set torque wrenches. You're new here. I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 set torque wrenches, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Amazon Basics 3/8 inch Drive Click Torque Wrench. This tool from the Amazon Basics line is one of the top torque wrenches at this low price point. Its chrome vanadium body has no plastic parts, and the chrome finish withstands rust, grease, and wear. To set the torque, simply rotate the knurled handle in a clockwise direction, and the audible click alerts the user when the target torque is reached. The torque value is 4%, and, while the torque setting may not be as easy to read on this torque wrench as some other models, the ease of use makes this one of the best torque wrenches to add to any toolbox, and it even includes a convenient storage case. Absolute bargain for a torque wrench, wrote one happy shopper. It is accurate, and the adjusting mechanism is something you would find in torque wrenches that cost twice or more. Number 2. A torque click style torque wrench. For those who need a high-quality torque wrench, this torque tool is one of the best torque wrenches on Amazon. Its clockwise and counterclockwise torque setting and small head allow it to get into tight spaces, while its steel construction makes it one of the more durable torque wrenches available. Each wrench is pre-calibrated for proper torque, even for a cylinder head, nut, or bolt, and comes with a certificate to prove calibration. A handy storage case is included with these torque wrenches, along with a lifetime guarantee for personal use. One satisfied shopper explained, "Having a 3/8 inch drive go up to 250 feet to pound has been a blessing for working on vehicles since I have adapters for it. Completely removed the need for me to get multiple wrenches," while another wrote, "I prefer a good click as I find I overshoot too often with the digital no-click wrench." Number 3. Tulux 03703L Dual Drive Beam Style Torque Wrench. For those who need a torque wrench tool in SAE and metric measurements, this dual drive torque wrench from Tulux is one of the better beam style torque wrenches available. Its versatility, accuracy, and large scale make it easy to read and especially useful for lug nuts, or other types of nuts and bolts, to ensure the proper torque. Works great with either 3/8 of an inch or 1/2 inch drive sockets, wrote one pleased customer. The adapter it comes with, 1/2 to 3/8 drive, will save you money if you've only got 3/8 of an inch drive sockets. Both sides are 1/2 inch drive, and you can place the adapter on either side. The same customer helpfully went on to note that the removable adapter was particularly handy so that you can use your sockets on the correct side and see the torque reading since the beam and scale are only visible on one side. Number 4. A Rookman 1/2 inch Drive Click Torque Wrench. Having a quality torque wrench handy in your car can get you out of a bind in an emergency, and this Rookman 1/2 inch drive wrench is just right for the job. The torque wrench head is made of durable chromium molybdenum alloy, while the handle is made of aluminum titanium alloy that is resistant to rust and corrosion, and ensures a comfortable grip. The quick release feature allows the user to fit and take off the socket easily, and, when the torque value is achieved, a clear snap is heard. One buyer especially liked the 1/2 inch drive and reported that it is accurate, and wrote, "The nuts are also super hard. It can hold a large range of Nm." Another added, "Nice torque wrench. Was looking for a cost-effective tool to use for the occasional tire and wheel replacement, etc. Seems like a solid tool. Nice that they included the extended adapter and a couple of sockets." Number 5. Park Tool Ratcheting Click Type Torque Wrench. This Park Tool Ratcheting Head Torque Wrench is perfect for low torque applications such as bicycle seats, brakes, or handlebars for its consistent torque value. Its lightweight steel construction also makes it the ideal tool to take on a bicycle ride, while the audible click lets the user know when the desired torque has been reached. This tool works in a counterclockwise and clockwise direction for right and left-handed users, and the torque value accuracy is within 4%. One purchaser raved, "Wrench with confidence like the days when all things were made of steel by purchasing this high-quality, dependably accurate torque wrench. I own both the TW5 and TW6, and can't imagine wrenching without the level of confidence inherent when using Park Tool products." 2 to 14 Nm range, 18 to 124 inch-pounds, length, 22.9 centimeters, 9 inches. Adjustable in 0.4 Nm increments, ratcheting 3/8 of an inch drive. Reads and registers for both left-hand and right-hand threading. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.